From Nymrix is a bug zapper for all seasons, all year long. This has a digital display that's charging in a light blue color. When fully charged, remove from the base and swat away those bugs. It can be used indoors, outdoors, anywhere imaginable. A close-up look at the bug zapper. It has a design of a little devil type and circles and all, as you can see. There are two pictures here, a small picture and a large picture in clear. It has a metal mesh and plastic. It has its on and off switch and a handle switch over here that presses in to zap the bugs immediately. It's USB-C to A compliance, area to charge as well. Pull out of the handle of the base and plug into the unit, and you could charge portable. The base holds the bug zapper. As you turn it on with the AC supplied to the USB-C, the bug zapper lights up in blue. In our demonstration, we take a leaf to show you the bug zapper, how it works. We'll demonstrate that again with the lights off. When you receive your bug zapper, it comes nicely packaged. You have the bug zapper, the base, the cord, and an instruction guide. The bug zapper has two modes, one without a light and one with a light to attract the bugs. In order to use the bug zapper in mode 1, unplug the unit. It shows in the on state when hitting the switch in the back. That would be mode number 1. Without pressing, nothing is lit. When pressing the button to zap, it's ready to go. With the mode 2, with the UV light and on, the bug zapper is already ignited. So when you're ready to swap bugs, press and swing, or simply just leave stand. These are the bug zappers. So when you're outside and swatting those bugs and wanting to get rid of the bugs, camping, hiking, boating, sitting in the garden, any time around, all season, these bug zappers may be something you are after for camping, hiking, biking, boating, sitting out in the backyard, anywhere that you need to swap that bug. Enjoy your bug zappers if these are what you are after for zapping bugs.